Hey yo, welcome back to the Quinlan C1 YouTube channel. That's the original, that's my account name before you were allowed to just change to your actual name. So the more you know. And this is a new vid. We got some GeoGuessr. Get dropped anywhere in the world in Google Maps and you compete to see who's closest to where you're at. If you're more just a vlog person, I get it. So I'm going to organize the vlogs into a playlist and I'll title the videos clearly so you know what you're getting yourself into. But, try it out. Maybe you'll like traveling the world with us. We got Ben Trujillo, Nelson Trujillo in this vid. We've been playing Catan and Geo for like 2 years straight since record it and maybe find some fellow GeoGuessers. We'll clean these videos. This is the first trial run, so maybe we'll add more editing in the future, whatever. But yeah, just wanted to give you a, not just throw you into the deep end of Lithuania without any context. All right, please enjoy GeoGuessr Team Duels.
Letter by letter and a URL.
Man, these oats.
Wouldn't be the first time I've done such a thing.
Not an overnight oats, just a through the morning oats, Devlin.
You guys on your own morning oats overnight? Bleh.
Yeah,
Not oats.
Dev is.
They're turning me on to it.
They're tasty.
Yeah.
It's nice to be able to just wake up to food being ready.
I know, Ben. I hate trying to find food in the morning.
Yeah, dude. In the morning, it's like the most I want to do is pull something out of the fridge and put it in the microwave.
Dude, I'm on my breakfast. Let's just say I'm on my oats, dude. I eat oats all the damn time.
Oh, boys, we're all in, so hop on this Team Duels.
It's already there.
Yeah, that's on me.
Young Snail has just started Team Duels. Can you come to mine or no?
Oh, my bad.
No, you're good. Here, let's just run.
I'm still recovering from that 12-hour shift.
I didn't even do a 12-hour shift. That was clear.
I know. I'm saying you're still recovering from the one from a few days ago.
Oh, all right.
I think
this green tree and all the red behind it. Very pretty.
Very pretty.
And I think you're
Am I by myself? What's going on?
I think it's you and me, Norm. I just
All right, right
I felt like
I'm on a team with someone. I think
I'm pretty sure you're not,
maybe I'm not.
because I just saw the way it was set up, and okay, I saw Nelson's guess. I figured we were running out of time, so I just pressed start.
Oh.
I just got murdered.
You still beat Norm? You just got triangulated. GeoGuessr Duels, Dev. It's so fun. You gotta play with us.
Yeah. We definitely should get Dev in a game.
Bro, Peter was like sniping whenever it was Germany and then doing the worst guesses on other countries.
He's a Blurmany king.
Yeah, dude. He's like, oh, I could just tell this is Berlin. I was like, oh, okay. No, but Dev, it's fair because he's not good at like. He went like South America when it was Asia once, and did you guys get to the snowy cul-de-sac?
No, I've seen no snow. I saw a flag.
Is it possible for y'all to mute your? I hate to ask.
Might have to be. Let me see. Oh yeah, I can.
Or just turn it down a little. The music.
Unfortunately, feels bad.
Unfortunately. Checking out the Eurospar.
Do. Oh, there's the snow.
Coming at you.
We'll triangulate. Mm-hmm.
I had no idea, dude.
Man, just guessing on a glacier.
Greenland?
Is there a city where you guessed?
Yeah.
Greenland is icy, or Iceland is.
Yeah, they did a bait and switch. Oh my God, the sign of all signs.
No,
on the-
no, don't say that yet.
No, I mean, I don't, it might not lead anywhere, but it was just the first click took me to a juicer.
Oh, yeah, it's the sign. Yeah, okay. I know what you mean.
Boy Wonderland is what that says.
Which one?
This sign that has like a big 2 and a 15 and
Yeah.
parking. Yeah, it says Chico Wonderland.
.com my ass, man.
Oh, there it is on the far right.
And then you
Yeah.
jump ahead once and the sign's been devoured. Oh, I got Norm. You were? Are you
No,
with me?
don't say that yet. Wait.
Are you at the signages?
Oh.
Yeah. Let's double tap this.
Oh, I didn't actually see seating, but are we double tapping?
I think so. Being triple tap. Bam!
Valencia. I saw that.
That's
I didn't
gonna be
know
a-
that was in Spain.
Yeah, that's a flawless.
Flawless.
Yeah. Dan, get over on someone's team. That was just a rough. You're just
That was
wake.
rough, man.
You're just waking up, man.
Something tells me, we're not getting any Pete.
Dude, he was
That's
so
130.
he wasn't cagey, like he was so honest, but it was so bleak the things he was saying.
Yeah, my friend's late, so we're just.
Well, Norm, if you have an extra like half hour, we could try and play a game or two with Pete post Ben.
Let's see what's going on. It's a nice day here, so we're trying to get out. But if he's choppy, then
Yeah, he's really into it.
yeah, okay, hell yeah. It's a blurred out street sign. Don't appreciate that.
Norm, talk a little more.
Blurry sign.
Okay.
Does that mean we're in Germany?
It could be, right? Are we?
Dude,
It's
what the
YouTube
fuck
versus
is-
me, I think. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I ain't talking to you,
Weird
man.
fucking like just stone monuments, just like a stone column in the middle of the woods. It's kind of creepy.
Dude, I haven't seen a single letter, person, or thing. All I'm seeing are hay bales and trees.
Go wrong turn, man, because I'm seeing some wordage.
Norm, I was
definitely
doing
took the wrong way.
I was doing some of our snipes that all of us sometimes get, and like, you know, like at this point we just know like Scandinavian stuff, and Pete was going like, "How do you do that?" And I'm like, "You gotta just log your hours."
Guys, my screen is black.
That happens in these rural roads. You get twisters.
Norm, I'm snapping.
What?
I
Do
think
you
we got.
actually know, or you just?
Not a clue, Norm.
Well, don't say snapping, man. Man, that is. Oh, man, come on now. I gotta pull our weight here with that. Kid.
Norm,
Triangulating. I'm not
59.
mad at bands.
that far off.
You weren't, but the words I was seeing was not German.
Not German words.
Oh,
This is a cool little place.
this car is crazy. Mr. Marshall. Guess he had to be there. You sick fuck.
Are you sure it's in there, Nelson?
I mean, you can get somewhere else, but I think it's in that general vicinity. Ah,
I'll take that.
you son of a bitch. How was that 300? You're like right next to each other. Don't appreciate
It's a three hundo, bud.
Not one bit.
This looks like a fake building.
Yeah, it's like some movie.
Dude, it has a fake name too. It's called Synapse.
Money laundering going on here.
This is a movie set.
Michael Nolan's about to blow this place up.
Mm-hmm. Back up. Hold the phone. Come here, truck. Come here, bitch. Oh my god, that does not clear anything up. What the fuck?
I'm playing off pure intuition here, boys.
Dude, I'm looking at it, now that you've guessed, I'm looking at a .sg.
Whoa. I still stand by my decision, even though that doesn't correlate with that.
I'm taking a fucking Hail Mary.
I didn't guess.
Where did you go, Norm? Oh my god, where were you?
Singapore!
Nelson, there was a bunch of Spanish!
Singapore is a complete you mute.
That's amazing. Wow. Bravo.
Bunch of English. I was confused and it said .sg and the light bulb clicked.
I mean, good for you.
Ben, look at this text and dial us in.
Nelson, don't even
yeah.
say anything, man. Shut the fuck up.
Look at this little duck.
Good game.
I know.
Hop aboard, Ben. We're about to triangulate this man to fucking.
I'm starting to hit my stride here. Let's see if I can keep it up. It's easy to get quickly flustered when you have two against him.
I was gonna say, dude,
Yeah,
Solo is just another animal.
It's really stressful.
Whoa, how's your boy's resolution?
Pretty shit.
A little rickety.
Oh, and then it jumps up quite a bit. All right, Ben, triangulate.
Wait. I just need a little more time. Man.
North.
I just need a little more time.
Ben, don't not triangulate. God damn it.
Ah! 5 points. Take that.
Oh, wow, that's lucky because you were way more in the vicinity.
Made my way downtown, kicking ass, and I blow ass.
Ass.
Ring a ding a ding.
Ring it,
Ring a ding ding ding.
Ben?
I'm following my gut and channeling Mr. Bolt Geo Boy.
Ben, you gotta get to it with me.
Ring a
Yeah.
ding. Ring a ding.
I was thinking up there too.
Well, just go somewhere different, but up there.
Netherlands.
Where was Pete when you made him?
Yeah, he would have been like, "Oh, that's."
I walked down that road. Also, I just realized I accidentally said your birthday, and that ain't a fun coinkadink. I don't know what it is.
You said my birthday?
August 13th.
Why'd you say that?
I just thought of a random date. That's what came to mind.
I don't know.
Norm's like, I don't know where we are. I'm guessing.
I'm like, I'm not gonna find something before you two are able to split up and cover more ground. Ah!
Nice, Ben. Nice.
Let's go.
Dude, fuck that, man.
Norm, I would have been
Minister.
right with Norm if Ben hadn't plopped.
Dude, this is hogwash. Fuck.
You okay, Norm?
Fuck these drops, man. What are we doing here? Boo. What if someone decided to like put words on signs? You know, why don't they just do that?
These are houses that like.
Quinlan, I know where we are.
Okay, I'm interested to see where you go.
I'm trying to find. Do this country, okay?
Okay.
What are you doing? What are you up to? And what are you up to? Oh my god, my fucking cursor just went fucking haywire.
It's part of the game.
What?
It's okay, man. We boxed him out.
I definitely saw something that was like, it said in Escobar's thing. And so I was like, oh, this is
That's a good guess.
in Colombia. This is Pablo Escobar.
Did you do Medellin?
Yeah.
Isn't Escobar Mexico?
No,
it was
he's
like Pablo
he's
Escobar.
Colombia.
Oh.
But yeah, he was. You're thinking of El Chapo.
Ben, I'm pretty sure I've been here, but if you want to go somewhere in the vicinity but different,
Roger that.
you
Yeah.
cool with that?
Wait, give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds.
Okay.
Just saw a sign.
Ben, I've been here. I'm almost sure.
That's cheating. That's not allowed to be in places.
I mean, I could there could be multiple Palmas though.
What?
There's multiple. Oh, Norm, that's a little unfair.
Robert, respond to my second text. What the hell?
It's bullshit.
These drops, man.
Norm,
Dude,
you
I'm
must
like,
be responding to some texts.
I'm fucking putting up a fight, but you just gradually hemorrhage until like once you're at like times 6, you just take 1 L and it's over.
I was gonna say you're kind of bleeding out.
Yeah, but not even that. That's like
My
better
man
than
has slow
getting walloped.
hemorrhaging.
But
No, dude, but you're just Ben and I could triangulate close, and you could smoke us, and that would turn the tables.
well, let me just tell you, I'm not gonna smoke you here unless something really drastic reveals itself.
Oh, here's a sign. Ain't much.
Ben, vibe with me.
You
Roger that.
son of a bitch.
Northeast, maybe, for me.
Oh man, I'm fucked. I'm fucked.
Like here?
Sure, Northwest works.
God, dude.
I have.
Fuck,
I
man.
always mix up
Over.
my easts and wests.
Didn't even do bad, dude. Fuck. Did you guys see some language?
No, I
recorded?
just remember being dropped there before.
I did see Ville Dades.
Well, I did what I could.
Ben, when Ben catches a glimpse of Villadades, he gets locked in. Ben, you're
I
on
got
your.
time for probably one more.
Do you want to finish on your own or what?
I do not want to finish on my
All right, play with Norm.
Norm, get your ass back. We're in cactus territory, boys.
Indiana Jones. What are we in, Ben?
Cactus territory.
Yeah, we are. Welcome to the cactus territory. It looks like a place Norm would guess is Arizona.
Dude, that was the first place that came to mind, not even gonna lie.
Normal guess is what?
Arizona.
Oh.
Norm, remember when we were at a place like this, but it was like a way more tourist destination?
Quinlan, look at my screen.
Hang on, I just found something, but fine. Are you on? Ben, what do you got? Oh, Ben! Screen cap that! Good job.
We get ourselves a tractor.
I'm watching a guy get pulled over right now.
Yeah, Quinlan, that's the place. That's the
Oh,
place.
I'll screen record it. Wait, guys, don't guess. Be cool.
You see it?
Yeah, I do. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. And I want you. Government cover up.
All right, I'm losing steam on these soon.
Yeah, me too. That's where I was gonna guess.
Triangulate. Nice, man. Well done.
That was an absolute try formation.
Just covered our whole Mexico bases there.
Where was it?
It
Colombia?
was like in Ecuador or something.
That's hella deserty.
Yeah.
Oh, right onto a tractor.
Just an absolute beauty.
They're so much more prominent if you like know to look for them. This is a beautiful little grasslands.
Yes, it is.
Oh, found the tractor. I'll go the other way.
Yeah, Bam, don't follow me. We're not teammates.
Boop, beep, 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 beep.
Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee.
Hey, any of you guys know where Molly Metals is?
Oh, yeah.
No, but that's sort of a nice hint. Actually, being
Y'all. Ben, we're going to triangulate.
Here we are. You first.
Baron go to Denmark, Norm go to Stockholm.
Get a guess
Oh,
on
I
this.
pressed it.
Ooh.
I was further away. though,
Damn.
so it don't matter.
That's my homeland, boys.
That's like one of the first Irelands we've seen, or I've seen.
Yeah.
I know, Norm. Actually, you kind of rang out in my head of like, we can't sleep on Ireland. So, shout out to
Come
you.
on. Really?
Really, really, baby.
Dude, they need to have latitude and longitude lines on the...
Did you find the latitude and longitude of where we are?
Well, there's one, it says Campania, we're staring at it, but it's north 17 degrees.
No, that's number 17 station.
But that's not an O, that's a degree.
got to be me.
Norm?
What's up, brother?
I'm in the thick of it.
Hey, did you find something, or are you just getting after it?
Norm? I found my 17 degrees.
Man.
And it was 7. Okay?
Dude.
No.
And
That's-
did you guess there because of latitude?
I don't think that's...
It's a very common thing to do.
number by NO.
It's a very common thing to do, is just to say.
Fucking
Norm,
stupid.
you didn't say that before the guessing.
Well, I didn't realize he was just dialing in 17 degrees.
Dude, and he was like, found it, boom.
I was like, oh, he definitely found a sign that said Honduras. Found it.
Yeah, because I was like,
I don't think I said found it.
I was like,
yeah, you pretty much did.
yeah, I went, someone's about to find the exact country and city, and you like immediately were like,
You like got
got
or
it.
something.
Yeah.
Got it.
You're like, that's right,
This
Key.
one I definitely did find a
Website?
website.
Did you?
Where you? I'm looking at one too, and
Mine's blurry,
Nelson
unfortunately.
the Mazda.
no. But there's just so many. Well, should we just get after it, Ben? I think we should just get after it. I'm just gonna guess over here, just for good measure.
Word.
I'm gonna go pee real quick. God damn it. Quinlan.
Thank you, Norm.
One second, please.
Did Norm say he's peeing?
Yeah. I'm
Now's my
still looking though.
now's my chance.
Cleanly.
I'm 1v2.
That's fair.
But what if I miss a tractor? Where do you think we are, Ben? Gut feeling.
Dude, I have no fucking idea.
Gut. Gut feeling.
Gut feeling?
Gut.
We're in some fucking dude, it's like Middle Eastern mixed with like
Russian.
Russian or like Sweden or something like that.
Ooh.
You feel me?
Yeah, I do feel that.
Because like the mountains and whatnot are giving me that Sweden vibe, but I'm getting like an Afghani vibe. A little bit from the mountains too, but like the architecture and shit here.
It's a little green for Afghanistan, I think. But
Yeah, maybe not Afghanistan, but like one of those stands.
that's true. Yeah, and I haven't seen all of that. I've only seen the desert parts.
Right, same here. Which is why I'm like, yeah, I don't fucking know, dude. Nelson, Quinlan and I were just talking. Gut feel.
Norm, you're so freaky.
That's my gut feeling.
Oh, we're triangulating the globe.
Quinlan, step off, dude.
Norm, we need to clutch the shit out of this, man.
And where did you
Gotta
get
work,
us?
man?
Are you coming to me with another injury?
It's the bibliothèque.
The same foot.
And where did you guess?
Ah,
I guess
I don't
it's
like
what you just
swollen
said.
stuff. Ronan, where are we?
Colombia.
I'm not mad at that.
Colombia.
Why you think we in Colombia, Papi?
Yeah, that's
No,
Colombia.
Wittensenstraten Planetarium.
Okay, you're in Poland.
That's neat. It's a damn quaint little town.
Mom, he's in Poland.
Why? Are you guys reading anything about how like icing is maybe just like more harmful than not with an injury? I don't know.
I have not.
Heard some
Like red icing, like on a cake.
Oh, you sons of bitches. Oh my! We got a shootout, boys. We also got a van.
Dude, you go to the van and it disappears? Oh wait, there's another van over here.
But we got a kid raising the roof. Norm's about to find something. I can feel it. I don't like it. He thrives in these little back alley service entrances.
This is the nicest back alley service entrance I've ever seen.
But you know what I mean, Ben? Like when we're behind a museum and like, cause that's where Norm finds catering vans.
Oh no, I know. Dude, he'll be behind the museum and he'll be like, "Oh yeah, this is the Duchess Museum in Munich."
Yeah, like he'll ace it. Oh, I've seen enough of da 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 ba da. Mom, come here. Sorry, if you're busy, don't. I'm going.
Ben, where are we going?
I'm going Spain, bro.
Ben?
Norm? It was between that and Italy.
I'm leaning Italy, brother.
I'm going north.
I didn't get my guess up. Ben!
I beat them both.
Let's go!